better to have an office interview because there you are able to connect to a person better. If you feel so, then after watching this video, hopefully you will feel more confident and comfortable in an online interview. Hi, I am Manisha, soft skills trainer and personality coach. In my career, I have given multiple interviews myself. I have taken a few interviews in later stage of my career. Few of them were online also, though it's getting more normal nowadays. I have also trained and prepared aviation and hospitality students for different interviews. Also, I have counseled many professionals for the appraisals and promotional interviews. So from all gathered together, 12 years of my experience, I want to share the first tip, which is actually a fact also and applies in both kind of interviews, online or offline, to connect with the interviewer or the hiring manager. And that is eye contact. Whether in physical meeting or office meeting or online meeting, this rule remains the same. How can you do the eye contact when the person is not present in front of you? So for an online interview, better we give it a new term, that is camera contact. Or do not look at yourself on the screen. Because we are so much used to of looking at ourselves all the time and majority time nowadays. Yes, you have to shift your look to the screen to look at the interviewer or the person when he is talking. And when it's your turn to speak, then shift your eyes back to the camera. Of course, you have to avoid looking up, down, right, left, or too much in any of the corners. So let me show you a demo where you can actually see the difference, and then I will tell you one secret. Hello, hello, hello. Choose whatever you want to know. You want to know the secret now? Secret is a thought. In person, when you go for the interview, do you get to see yourself? Then why bother here? Look at yourself as much you want to before going live in the interview. Is the job of interviewer, let him do it. Let him look at you, let him listen to you. It also divides your attention and distracts you. Better just pay attention on the interview and the interviewer. In case even after the practice, you're not able to follow this thing, or you don't have time at all, you are watching this video last moment and you don't have time to practice, then I have another tip for you. Use a post-it. Just stick it over the screen where you can see your face. This will definitely help you to hold the temptation. And only place you will have access to is the camera and the interviewer on the screen. This is the time to impress people. And wow, with technology, you can look into a person's eye without actually looking into their eyes. Isn't that amazing? Second important point is smile. Like we all have experienced this thing that before any interview we tend to get nervous. But if we smile, then we start to feel better. Because smile reduces the production of stress hormones, cortisol and adrenaline. So in short, you can hide your fear with a smile. My suggestion is, when the interviewer first look at you, you should be smiling on the screen. Then greet the greetings of the day with a smile. Good morning, sir, or good morning, Mr. X. This shows that you're looking forward to the interview. And this applies in both the cases, offline and online both. Tip number 3 is do not move too much. Do shifting at same place like this, or don't move too much right or left, back and forward, because this shows that you are not in a comfortable position. If you are really not comfortable, then better you check beforehand that the place where you are going to sit for the interview is comfortable for you or not. Because interviewer might misunderstand it as impatience, non-focused, or simply bad body language. Last but not least, keep some talking points ready for emergency. Is that something new to you? Right, then you are new to an online interview. However, I promise, after knowing the detail of this point, you would prefer to give online interviews only. I'm sure that you prepare for the answers of the expected questions even when you go for in-person interview in an offline arrangement. Similarly, you must also prepare for an online interview. So now what you have to do is that कुछ आंसर्स जो ऐसे हैं जो एक्चुअली आपको याद नहीं करने हैं, आपको सब कुछ पता है कि क्या बोलना है इंटरव्यू में एंड यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर दैट, बट कुछ फैक्ट्स एंड फिगर्स हैं जो या तो याद नहीं रहते या इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे याद नहीं आते. इफ यू हैव दीज टॉकिंग पॉइंट्स और मे बी लिटिल पोस्ट-इट्स विद few points written on them, some pictures, cartoon, or maybe a flow chart, whatever it suits you, you can just post those post-its on the screen of your computer, laptop, or maybe somewhere around the camera, or else you can type the keywords in a Word file and then keep that window open if you are technology friendly person. When the interview is asking you the question, that time of course you have shifted your eyes to the screen, so during that time you can read what point you need from there and then come back to the camera and speak whatever you wish to. Remember, you just have to write crisp points. You cannot write the stanzas, otherwise it will ruin your interview. You have to make sentences by your own. You have to practice that. So few things that you can write are like maybe information about the company you are going in for the interview, or the details of the person you are giving your interview to, if you already got to know that who was it. So you can do little finding and do little homework before the interview. So you can write when the company was established, who is the CEO or the owner, and where is the head office. Any such information which might be of some use during the interview. We can also call this a safety net, or like a life vest jacket, which is not necessarily required, but you feel at peace if it is there. Last is the bonus tip, like I always give. You must practice, especially if it's going to be the first online interview. You don't want to let the opportunity go just because of lack of preparation from your side, right? An online interview may be using the Word file or the post-it on the screen with the help of a family member or friend. You can do a test interview call. So that's it. Let's recap. So I just hope these tips and tricks are now going to make you feel more comfortable